Whether it's a phrase you type often, a word you find hard to spell, or even a symbol you can never quite remember the keyboard shortcut for, text replacement is a fantastic tool built right into Mac that allows you to create abbreviations that populate the full phrase when you type them. Let's take a look. Click to open System Settings, and this one is not in Accessibility. We are going to scroll all the way down to Keyboard, and under Text Input, click on Text Replacements. Here you can create those abbreviations. As you can see, I've got a few in here already for things like my email address that I type often, so I've created the replacement EEE. Now when I need to send someone my email address, like here in this message, all I need to type is EEE, and there it is. You can put whole sentences here as well, like this one when I type AGEN. It will populate, "Could you please send me the meeting agenda ahead of time so I can get into the right headspace to contribute," which might be a regular phrase for someone who is neurodivergent. Text replacement works with your favorite emoji combinations, like these rainbow hearts. All I need to type is HRTZ. To add text replacements, simply click on the plus in the bottom left, type the abbreviation, I'm going to put AAA, then below, type the whole phrase, which in this instance will be my address. It's a long one, so this is definitely a favorite of mine. Text replacement is one of my favorite features on Mac. Particularly useful if you have limited mobility in your hands or other mobility disabilities, print, or literacy difficulties, or absolutely everyone. Jump into the keyboard settings on your Mac and set up your own text replacement. You'll love it.